Bentley. Got hold of that. Hog, no, 6. That's a great shot. 46 overs gone, 6 for 225. Oh, there she goes. It's a beauty. What a shot. Over cover. Looked to be 6 to me and over the top. Superb batting.
All that Afریدی talent coming out. Really thrilling cricket.
Gone again. Oh, there she goes. That's a 12. That's a beauty. This is what's needed. Good, intelligent batting, holding his ground, not drawing away to the onside. He goes over the cover from McGrath. He goes over mid-wicket. That's superb batting. Well played. Very well played. McGrath goes for the Yorker. He whips it fine for 4. Handy runs. Good cricket shot.
Well, that's in a way as good as the stuff over cover because he knew exactly what he was doing.
Bang, he goes over cover. Clark won't get it. Bounces. 4. Afریدی crossed that last wicket falling, got the strike, much needed. Was very, very close to another 6 this time. Over cover. Into the wind. Bang, oh, beautiful. Worth paying your money for. Direct straight hit for 4. That's very intelligent batting. Don't forget, the bowler's McGrath.
Staggering power. Andrew Symonds, quick and strong out at long on, barely moved. Wonderfully still and firm strike. This is a phenomenal assault now. 46 from 22 balls from Afریدی.
That was superb batting. Held his ground, hit straight through the line. He's given McGrath a hiding. McGrath all of a sudden got 2 for 52 and a final delivery coming up. It's 29 off 10 balls, and the bowler is McGrath. Will he hold his ground? No, he doesn't. He goes over cover. That's gone. That's 6, is it? It's a beautiful hit. It's with the breeze on the angle. Billy Bowden's not sure. Come on, Billy. Put up both hands. There she goes. 6 of the best.